Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. I'm making this video here as the third meeting for the qualitative and quantitative research method. Yeah, the third meeting for this subject. And since this meeting here is the third meeting, there are several things that I would like to give you guys here a chance or giving you guys an explanation about what is it that you guys have to do on our third meeting. Yeah. Um, Last week, from the second meeting of qualitative and quantitative research method, I already explained about the terms that refer to research. Yeah, and I hope you guys will try to share to me your own kind of definition, your own kind of perspective about what we call bio research. Yeah, and then next week, I hope you guys will try to give me your explanation, your own kind of explanation about the qualitative and quantitative research method, especially on the second term, yeah, the refer with the research itself. Yeah. And next week, I want you to write down, yeah, one by one, using your Google account, of course, using your Gmail account, yeah, and then you're going to write down all of your guys' perspective, all of your guys' comprehension about research based on our second meeting, yeah, and then uh, I'll try to consider that one as your guys' attendance list, yeah. So it's mean all the 85 or 89 students from class of 2018, you guys will try to give me your answer, your kind of perspective based on our second meeting. Yeah, and then when we had our second meeting, I already explained about all the things that refer with the definition of research and then also characteristic of the research and then all the detail about research. Yeah, and then for this third meeting, uh, I'll give you guys the assignment to complete that one. Yeah, and then by next week, on our next meeting, on our fourth meeting, you guys will come with various kind of answer and then with various kind of opinion, various kind of perspective about what is it we call bio research itself. Yeah, so that will be your guys' third meeting for qualitative and quantitative research method. And since I already gave the assignment, and then now uh, I would like to give you guys the reference, yeah, the reference that you guys can use while you try to learn independent. You try to learn about qualitative and then quantitative research method here using several kind of references. Yeah, the first, you guys may use crash roll book. Yeah, the crash roll book here. The title it is about qualitative and quantitative research design, and then also books by Gay. Yeah, and then books also by Richards and then by Harmer. Yeah, and you guys have to notice that all the reference for the educational research, especially in qualitative and then also quantitative research method, we are only taking the reference only from Western kind of expert. Yeah, what I mean by Western kind of experts here, it's mean you guys cannot use Sugiono or any expert that familiar in Indonesia, but you guys have to take it from Western. It can be from UK, US, yeah, and then also it can be from Europe. That will be okay. But we are not using any reference that using bahasa in giving the explanations, yeah. And then some of your friends also asked me about uh, qualitative and quantitative research method. So based on your guys' aim for this subject, yeah, the last project for this subject, as I mentioned it on our first meeting, you guys will try to conduct a complete proposal, yeah, starting from first chapter, second chapter, and then also third chapter, yeah, of the research proposal. And then that will be the first and then second one. It will be in a form of PKM. Yeah, I already mentioned it, student creativity program that funding by our government. Yeah, and then for the third meeting, I also want to give you guys a gentle reminder. Yeah, uh, I gave you several videos here for this subject for the qualitative and quantitative research method, and then also I gave you several videos also for the curriculum and material development because I'm thinking about giving you guys a space or a break. Yeah, break. What I mean by a space or a break here, it's mean you guys don't have to follow all the Zoom meeting or Google meeting all the time. Yeah, because I'm pretty sure that you guys will be very bored, will be very tired if you guys, for example, have 3 or 4 subjects in a day, in a single day, and then you guys have to attend all of the Zoom meeting on it, all of the Google meeting on it. Yeah, I can imagine that you guys will be very tired on it. That's why every single time that we have the meeting, after we have the face-to-face kind of interaction, teaching and learning using Zoom or using Google Meet, and then the next meeting, it will be in the form of the video as the learning media, and the use of video here, the learning video here, to give you guys a chance, yeah, when did you guys want to learn the subject, when did you guys want to know more about the subject so you can watch it, yeah, independently, yeah, so without joining in a certain kind of Zoom meeting every single day, yeah. And then I know that's a hard thing to do, yeah, because it is using an internet connection, and then also using all of you guys participant, yeah, you have to turn your camera on, and then you have to do it maybe 4 or 5 times a day. Yeah, that should be an exhausting kind of activity for you guys, but believe me, it's for your own goodness. Yeah, and after that one, for the third meeting of the qualitative and quantitative research method, I would like to recommend also you guys to start reading about the content proposal. Yeah, try to find any of the skill that you guys interested in, and then after that one, try to uh, read it. Yeah, starting from the first chapter, and then also second chapter, and then also the third chapter of a research proposal. Yeah, and maybe it will be in a complete thesis, or it will be in a complete kind of article. You guys focus only on first, yeah, it is about the introduction or the background of the study, and then the second one about the literature review, and then the third one about the research method that the writer or the researcher used in their study or in their research. Yeah, so you don't have to focus on the fourth chapter and then also on the fifth chapter. Yeah, the fourth chapter consists of the finding, and then also the last chapter, the fifth chapter consists of the conclusion. You guys need to focus only on the first, second, and then third chapter of each study that you guys read, or each article that you guys read. Yeah. Okay, guys, that's all for the third meeting of qualitative and quantitative research method. I hope you guys will start to think and then start to analyze, start to watch the previous videos again about our second meeting when I already explained about the research, and then try to write down, try to make a note so you guys may start to give your own perspective, your own answer about what research really is, and then try to put all of you guys' answer on the comment. And then don't forget to leave your footprint. Yeah, it is not footprint only, I guess, your handprint. Yeah, so I can consider that you guys attending this meeting, attending our third meeting for the qualitative and quantitative research method. Yeah. Uh, I guess that's all. One more time, thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. Yeah, let's hope next week. So next week it will be the same. The first subject or the second subject we're going to have the Zoom meeting or Google meeting on it, and then for the other subject it will be on a video. So we can switch it. The first it will be a video, and then second one it will be a Zoom meeting. Yeah, and then thank you very much one more time for watching for the third meeting of qualitative and quantitative research method. I hope you guys will stay safe and stay healthy. And don't forget to stay being an awesome student. And then the last, Wallahumma fi wal hadi ila sabilir rasyad. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace out.